Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to share with you is how I make roasted baby gold potatoes. But before we go on to the ingredients, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're not already, and go visit us on our Facebook page at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here I have is 1.5 pounds of baby gold potatoes, just like that, washed and cleaned. I have some parsley, I have some rosemary, red pepper flakes, some salt, some garlic, some shredded cheese, pepper, some sun-dried tomatoes, some olive oil, and then of course the water to boil our potatoes. So that's the first thing that we're gonna do. Okay, here I'm just gonna start to boil the potatoes. I'm gonna cover them to the top. We're not gonna put any seasoning or anything in them. We're just gonna boil them. They should be ready in about 30 minutes as soon as it comes to the boil, probably 20 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back as soon as these finish boiling. While we're waiting for the potatoes to finish boiling, we're gonna season up a cookie sheet. This is what we're gonna roast the potatoes in. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get some olive oil and sprinkle it along. You want it quite heavy because you're gonna infuse some garlic into it. Okay. And then here I have the garlics. They were about 4 garlics, medium-sized garlics, and I just crunched in here. Okay. And then we're gonna sprinkle some red pepper flakes along here like this. We're gonna get our sun-dried tomatoes. I just leave them in this size. They're julienne, and we're just gonna leave them in here like this. And then we're gonna put some salt in layers. And we are gonna put a little bit more salt when the potatoes are ready. Okay, and we are gonna pop this in the oven for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. We're gonna get this hot. Okay, so when the potatoes come out, when the potatoes are ready, this is already halfway done. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven while we wait for the potatoes. Okay guys, the potatoes are ready. We're gonna strain them. Okay, now we took the potatoes out. I strained them, and I'm gonna put them on top of this paper towel to make sure they're dry. Because when we put them on the oil, you don't want them to splatter you. Hot, so watch out. Okay, I'm gonna take the tray that we have in the oven, and I'm gonna take it out and show you what's next. Okay, this is pretty hot, and this is what I put in the oven earlier. Okay, so don't touch the tray. We're also gonna put the rosemary sprigs on here. And what we're doing is we're just infusing the oil so that they have some nice seasoning. Okay. And just move it around, make sure everything gets coated in the oil. And now we're going to put the potatoes in here. And then I'm going to roll them around for a little bit, and then we're going to smash them. Just roll them around. Get you closer here. And the tray is hot, so you have to be careful. But all this oil is infused with all the garlic, the red pepper, the tomato, the rosemary. It's just a great dish, and it's really easy. The worst thing is waiting for them to boil. Okay, the potatoes are all coated in oil. Now I'm going to put them all to the center, and I'm going to dust them with some more salt. Okay, a little bit of the black pepper, just a bit. And now we're going to separate them, and we're going to smash each one of them so they open up and infuse with all this seasoning. Okay? Just like that. Not too hard. Look at that. Now we're going to put them back in the oven for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to take them out, sprinkle some cheese, and put them back in. Okay, I'll be back when that's done. Okay guys, I took the tray out of the oven. I'm sorry my camera lost that little bit of footing. But I flipped the potatoes over, and I sprinkled them with the cheese. And I topped them off with the parsley. And I just gave them a little shush around here. And they're going to go back into the oven for 10 minutes. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I took the potatoes out of the oven. And they smell fabulous. I'm going to bring you up close. They just smell delicious. Okay, I'm going to gather them up and plate them up. And of course the rosemary sprigs, you don't want to put them on your serving platter because you can't really eat those. You just want that for seasoning. These smell so good. Okay guys, and then we're going to take the leftover parsley and just sprinkle it on top. Give it that fresh taste at the very end. Let's put a whole bunch of it on there. It's delicious. There we go. Okay guys, here we go. We're going to take a bite. They smell delicious. Delicious. Really, really, really good. You could serve this with a steak, chicken, just whatever you can think of. They are so delicious. I hope you give these a try, guys. And if they work out, or if you have any suggestions to change, come back and let us know in the comments. Okay, guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye.